In one town, it rains fish. Not once, every year. Welcome to Yoro, Honduras, home of the Lluvia de Peces, or rain of fish. After heavy storms, fish are found flopping in the streets. No rivers nearby, no flood, just fish from the sky. Locals say it's a miracle. Scientists say it could be waterspouts sucking fish up and dropping them miles away. But here's the twist. No one's ever seen it happen. One minute it's raining, the next. The streets are alive with fish. It's been happening for over 100 years, and we still don't have a solid explanation. Is it science? Is it something else? Subscribe for more real world mysteries you've never heard of.